How to start a battery manufacturing company in Nigeria. What if I told you again that one of the biggest factory opportunities in Nigeria right now is hidden inside our power problem? Not generators, not diesel. I'm talking about batteries. The one thing 200 million people need every single day, whether the light comes or not. And here's the crazy part. Africa uses less than 3% of the world's lithium batteries, but Nigeria alone needs millions yearly. This gap is so big that the people who enter it now may become the next generation of manufacturing millionaires. Think about this. Every power bank you charge, every inverter in Nigeria owns, every solar kit, every POS agent, every CCTV system, every e-bike that will soon take over our delivery, all of them rely on batteries. So the question is simple. Why aren't more Nigerians producing them? Because most people think you need billions. But the truth is you can start lean and scale big. Battery demand in Nigeria is rising faster than supply. Solar adoption is exploding. Telcos need industrial battery banks. Estates are switching to lithium. Schools, hospitals, factories, everybody is moving off grid. And here's the real kicker. Nigeria imports almost all the battery it uses, meaning you have a wide open local manufacturing gap. If you can enter this industry with quality, safety, and consistency, your customers will find you. You don't start by mining lithium. You don't start with a $1 billion Naira plant. You start with battery assembly. Most global brands begin this way. Import certified lithium cells, design your pack, weld and assemble, add BMS protection, test and age the battery, brand and distribute. This is the fastest, cheapest, and lowest risk way to enter the market. And here's the part everybody waits for. How much does it take to start? A lean assembly can begin around 50 million Naira. A more robust line with higher volume, 200 million Naira. Your factory needs spot welders, BMS testers, voltage and capacity testers, aging racks, pack casing, safety gear, fire control systems. And yes, every serious installer will ask if your product is certified. Which brings us to the most important section. To operate properly and build trust, you need SONCAP for every imported battery cell and BMS. MANCAP for your locally assembled packs. NESREA environmental permit. Batteries are hazardous materials, so that's why you need them. Federal Fire Service safety clearance, mandatory for your facility. NUPRC import permit if you import chemical components. Get these in place and distributors, installers, and corporates will take you seriously. Most people think the money is in retail. No, the gold mine is B2B. Here are your real customers. Solar installers, telcos, estates and developers, fintech POS companies, schools, SMEs, logistics, e-bike fleets, data center. Each of these buys in bulk. That means predictable revenue, faster scaling, and lower marketing costs. Now let's talk some numbers. If your plant moves 2,000 inverter batteries monthly at 70K to 120K margin each, 5,000 power banks monthly at 2K to 4,000 margin each, your yearly turnover can hit 3.5 to 5 billion. With profits of 400 to 800 million Naira depending on operations and distribution. These are realistic numbers based on how similar plants perform in Asia. In the battery business, trust is everything. Nobody wants swelling, overheating, or exploding parts. To win the market, use certified cells. Be honest with capacity. No fake MAH. Offer warranties. Provide after-sales support. Build a recognizable brand. When Nigerians trust you, they will stick with you for years. Nigeria is going electric. Solar is exploding. Power banks are a lifestyle. Inverters are now basic household items. This is not just a business opportunity. It's a national necessity. The people who will win are not the ones complaining about electricity. It's the ones bottling the power, battery by battery. So, are you doing this already or are you thinking about it? Or do you have an idea how this works? Come to the comments and join the conversation.
Just so you know, this is for information only and not advice. Some details or policies might have changed by the time you're watching this.